So I'm in one of the kitchens and I'm getting ready to have a protein shake, or call it a smoothie. And I want to show you what I like to do. First thing, these knives are in the way here. Rotate them out of the way. I like to use this Waring blender. The brand doesn't matter. Everyone's using these different Vita smoothies and whatever. Who cares? As long as it blends, you turn it on, you put the lid on there, you're good to go. All right, I'm using 3 liquids to start with here. We've got some, what do we got here? Reduced fat milk, just a little bit. A couple ounces, like this. Okay. Got some fruit juice. In this case, it's grape juice. I use apple juice a lot as well. A little fruit's good for you. And we've got some water. Why water? Because when you're using this type of protein, this is isolated soy protein, it sucks up 2 scoops here. 2 scoops would be about 50 grams of isolated protein. And then we're going to go a little further. This, you might not be familiar with this or have seen this. This is ground hemp seed. It's very good for you. Doesn't have a lot of taste. It's just good for you. This is something else. This is coconut sugar. Very cool. It's made from the coconut trees, and I like it. I like sweet. So it's natural, it's healthy, it's one of the best sweeteners out there on the market. Just a few seconds. It's good, it's smooth. The next thing I like to put in my shake generally is a little ice cream. Make it a little richer. And we're going to put, in this particular shake, we're going to drop a couple of blueberries in there. The ingredients are not that critical. It's whatever you have on hand. Blueberries are good. I love them. They're in season right now, so you got to put some blueberries in there. Okay, blend it up. I'll be right back. Okay, scoop of ice cream going in. And I almost forgot, in this particular shake, I wanted to have a little bit of cinnamon. Fresh cinnamon, oh yeah, love it. All right, blend it up. And there we go, the finished shake. Fruit protein smoothie, I love it. Check it out. Oh yeah, the goodness. All of the ingredients used in this shake are available at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Wow,